Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. I'm going to be sharing with you 2 keto casseroles for lunch or dinner. I love casseroles. They are my favorite, and you guys know if you've been around my channel, most of my recipes are keto friendly or low carb. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 2 keto casseroles. You just can't go wrong with casseroles. They are such an awesome comfort food. So the first I'm gonna make is a chicken bacon ranch, and it's gonna have broccoli in it, and my husband made some bacon on our Blackstone grill, and it is so good. So he pre-made that last night, so I'm gonna use it into this casserole. And the second casserole is going to be a keto pizza casserole bake, and I'm gonna use cauliflower rice on the bottom of that, and then all of my favorite pizza ingredients. So these are gonna be 2 really awesome casseroles. If you are looking for some keto-friendly casseroles, these are awesome, so check them out. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button below, right down below. Click the like on this video if you like this one, and always leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. So let's get these casseroles going. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to poach my chicken. So I use this Better Than bouillon to make chicken broth. So I have 2 cups of chicken broth, and then I'm gonna add in 4 more cups of water, and I'm gonna let this boil, and then I'll add my chicken in. I'm gonna turn it to low heat and put the lid on, and then cook this chicken for about 25 to 30 minutes, and then it'll be ready to go. Poached chicken is really great in casseroles. So I'm gonna make this up for this casserole, and it'll be awesome. So now I have all my ingredients for this casserole. It's gonna be with this bacon that we cooked last night, shredded cheddar cheese. Here's my poached chicken that I just diced all up, some cream cheese, broccoli, ranch, all kinds of yummy stuff. So I have my cream cheese, and I have my mayonnaise and sour cream. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of ranch. So for the sour cream, I have a 1/4 cup. For the mayonnaise, I have a 1/2 cup. And for the cream cheese, I have a 1/4 cup. So I'm gonna mix all of this together, and then this will go on top of the casserole when I assemble it. So I have my chicken I'm gonna put into my baking dish, and you can use rotisserie chicken also. So I'm just gonna spread that on the bottom, break up any bigger pieces, and then I'm going to add in, I have steamed broccoli. I just buy this broccoli in the bag, and you just steam it in the microwave in the bag. It is so easy. You guys know that I love easy recipes, super simple, so this is really quick and easy. So I'm just gonna spread the broccoli out over the chicken, and I'm going to now add in my chopped up bacon. I just cut the bacon with my kitchen scissors. So bacon on the Blackstone is my new obsession, you guys. It turns out so good. I'm gonna add the sauce on now, and I'm just gonna spread a little layer over the whole top, and then I will spread it out. I'm gonna add on some cheddar cheese, and then I'm gonna bake this in the oven at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes, and it will be awesome, you guys. All right, it is all done and so good. This is definitely one of my new favorite chicken casseroles and keto, so it's really yummy, you guys, and super healthy if you're on the keto diet, so it's really good. My next casserole is going to be my pizza casserole. So I have my riced cauliflower, and this I just get frozen, and you steam it in the bag. It is so simple, and it turns out so good. I've made cauliflower rice a bunch of different times, just made it like homemade, but it always turns out so good just from this frozen bag. So I have my no sugar added Prego pasta sauce, and so I'm just going to do just a little small layer on top of the cauliflower rice. You don't need a lot. It really, a little bit goes a long way. So I'm just going to do a little layer of the spaghetti sauce, and then I will spread it all out. And I'm going to add on my mozzarella cheese and all of my favorite pizza toppings. And this casserole is so good, you guys. If you are trying to eat keto, if you're on the keto diet or trying to eat low carb, this is such an awesome way to enjoy kind of a pizza craving. My family loves pizza, but I don't want all of the carbs from the crust. So this is fun to still enjoy some pizza flavorings, but keep it super keto also. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. It is delicious. I'm adding on pepperoni, and I have bell pepper and mushrooms. You can add on all of your favorite ingredients. Olives, artichoke hearts are really good on this. Just anything you like on your pizza is really great in this casserole. I'm going to bake this once I have everything on it. I'm going to bake this at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes, then it will be ready to go. If you guys love keto recipes, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Tons of keto recipes, tons of meal prep recipes as well. So I hope that you guys enjoy them and subscribe so that you don't miss all of my keto recipes and meal prepping. I have tons of fun making all of these videos for you guys of all my meal prepping and my keto recipe ideas. I'm adding on a little bit of fresh Parmesan. It makes this so good, you guys. Just a little bit on top of everything else. And then I'm gonna bake this in the oven. All right, this pizza casserole is all done and really good, you guys. If you are craving pizza, but you wanna cut those carbs, I highly recommend a pizza keto casserole. So good. Hope that you guys have a really great day, and I will see you guys all next time.